I'm Chris Reid, Managing Director and CEO of Neometals. Welcome to our March 2026 quarterly update. It's been another productive period for Neometals with strong progress across our upstream gold and critical minerals projects, alongside continued advancement of project financing activities for our vanadium recovery project. Let's start with our upstream minerals portfolio at our 100% owned Barrambie Gold Project in Western Australia. We announced high-grade drill results from Ironclad, Mystery and the Barrambie mines, and these results continue to demonstrate the scale and grade potential of this camp-scale opportunity. Ironclad drilling highlights included 26 metres at just over 4 grams per tonne gold from surface, including 15 metres at 6.5. 19 metres at over 4 grams from 106 metres depth, including 9 metres above 7 grams, which confirmed the high grade down plunge of the mineral resource estimate boundary. And at Mystery, 14 metres at 11.7 grams per tonne from 82 metres, including 6 metres above 26 grams. These results were incorporated into an updated mineral resource estimate for Ironclad, and we completed a positive scoping study which confirmed the potential for a small starter open pit, targeting production of around 10 to 11,000 ounces of gold. Subsequent to the end of the quarter, we took a significant step forward, entering a mining services joint venture with BML Ventures to develop Ironclad, subject to a final investment decision. Under this structure, our partner funds the mining, trucking and processing, with profits equally shared after cost recovery, a capital-light pathway towards production. We also continue to advance exploration across the broader Barrambie tenements, including encouraging copper and silver and gold results at the Rinaldi prospect. Drilling intersected bornite and chalcopyrite, primary copper sulfides, and returned intercepts such as 7 metres at 1.7% copper with some silver credits, and 5 metres at over 1.2% copper, highlighting the polymetallic potential of the region, host to Solstice's exciting Nanity Well deposit. Turning to North America, we made a strategic entry into the Utah Brine project, securing a 51% interest and access to 23 inactive gas wells, an extensive database and existing infrastructure in the Paradox Basin, Utah. This gives Neometals a low-cost exposure to a potentially large-scale lithium and potash opportunity in a Tier 1 jurisdiction. Subject to the end of the quarter, we announced a maiden exploration target, which marks an important first step in defining the scale of this project. Recently, we've received a notice disputing the validity of some of our lithium placid claims lodged over our 23 wells. Neometals intends to vigorously defend our position, and this has no bearing on our over 80,000 acres of potash tenure applications over the target brine. During the quarter, we continued to advance the ELI process through a collaboration agreement with leading electrolyser manufacturer Denora to design and commission a potential pilot plant for Rio Tinto. This would be subject to receipt of a purchase order from Rio. We also extended our engagement with them, with Rio Tinto, for a further 12 months as we continue to progress the commercialisation pathway. We continue to advance the project financing activities for the vanadium recovery project in Finland. On the corporate front, we ended the quarter with a cash balance of 2.4 million. We had 1.4 million investments and receivables and no debt. Subsequent to quarter end, we strengthened our balance sheet with a capital raising of up to $13 million, with funds directed towards advancing Ironclad into production and expanding our resource base through further exploration. As we move forward, our focus is clear: progressing Ironclad towards near-term gold production while continuing to build value across a broader portfolio of critical minerals projects. We believe this multi-commodity strategy, spanning gold, lithium, vanadium and potash, positions Neometals strongly for the next phase of growth. Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you for your continued support.